Makes it so much colder. Is that going to die off soon?
You know, overnight it will still stay up,
Okay.
and then late tomorrow it will die down. So yeah, tomorrow stays a little bit breezy, and you saw
It's almost brutal out there.
Yeah, I know. Upper 20s for the feels like temperature. I mean, that's cold, especially for us here in South Louisiana. And that might be what some of you are experiencing if you're up really early north of the lake, right around sunrise. That might be the feels like temperature. Right now we're at 46, even in the city of New Orleans. We still have those winds north-northwest up to 13 or so miles per hour. We have had this drier and colder air mass move in. Definitely feeling a little winter-like. I certainly had that feeling earlier today, even though temperatures continue to drop through the day when we had those cloudy skies at the beginning of the day, kind of a damp start to our Saturday. Temperatures right now, upper 30s and 40s for most spots. The wind is still coming in from the north, you can see. So as I was showing you earlier, the feels like temperature is as low as freezing at Macomb, Mississippi, 34 at Hammond, 30s feeling like for a big chunk of the area from Slidell and Bogalusa over to Gulfport, Mississippi, Thibodaux, Raceland, Houma, Reserve. And this is the actual air temperatures, a big area of the U.S. looking at this chilly weather as we've gotten this colder air mass pushing in from the north to the south. And here is the boundary, that colder air, which has already moved in. Rain, not looking for that anymore as we head into tomorrow. In fact, this high pressure will build in to make it a sunny but still pretty chilly day. Your wake up Sunday morning forecast, these are the air temperatures that we're looking for. Temperatures in the 30s north of the lake and maybe even away from the city. Thibodaux, Houma, Lockport, all of you right around 40 degrees. Even for our south shore of Lake Pontchartrain spots like New Orleans and Metairie, likely looking at lower to middle 40s to start the day tomorrow. And then we will again have that feels like temperature as low as about freezing. Now, when you have the wind, it does make it feel chillier. Of course, you get the wind chill, but however, the wind also makes it harder for frost to settle. You need calm conditions with clear skies and cold air really for a perfect frost formation setup. So not sure if we're going to see frost north of the lake, but if you just want to go ahead and protect your sensitive plants, that would be fine. Of course, tomorrow we may actually have some frost tomorrow night into Monday morning there. South of the lake, 42. And remember, keep your pets safe and warm because it's going to be a cold night for them. Tomorrow, high temperatures about 58. Sunny skies, a little bit breezy through the day. We won't call it a windy day exactly, but if you're out, especially maybe on the riverfront or body of water on the lakeshore or something like that, you could certainly have some wind elevated up to about 15 plus miles per hour. Your planner for tomorrow, to me, this looks like a really nice day. If you don't like it cold, this is not your kind of forecast moving into not only tomorrow, but the next several days. But hey, at least it's not this. The Saints versus Steelers is going to be truly cold. The temperature at noon, 39 degrees. Snow is possible earlier in the day especially, but even by noon there's about a 30% chance for snow, and the feels like temperature there will be at or below freezing even at noon over there in Pittsburgh. Those west winds coming in up to 20 miles per hour, so really cold setup over there. We also are looking ahead to not only a cool week, but also a couple of rain rounds. One is mostly Monday night. Another is Thursday. How much rain? The one Monday night might actually bring us a decent amount of rain, maybe 1 to 3 or so inches. And there is a low end marginal risk for severe weather with that system Monday night. A high wind gust possible with a few of the storms. Here's how it's looking. Dry through most of the day Monday, but this is Monday by 11 p.m. We start to see a surface low developing, and this is all moving along our coast. So here's some rain beginning to spread in. 3 a.m., maybe some pretty decent downpours here and there. And then this is by Tuesday morning, the surface low tracks east, and rain will be finishing up. If we have a few leftover showers in the morning, those will be ending. But since the surface low is not farther north, that's actually going to cut down our chance for severe storms, which will be a good thing. That's why our chance for severe weather is low with this system. Here's our Thursday setup with a few showers back in play during the day Thursday as some low pressure is off to our west. So again, the 3-day rain forecast, the purples up to about 2+ inches, and that low end severe risk for a few storms, especially maybe over to the southwest, not actually included for New Orleans and the North Shore at this point. But again, we'll just be watching in case there's a strong storm overnight. Tuesday, the rain ends, still a cloudy day. Wednesday, pretty nice. And then even next weekend is looking chilly with highs Friday and Saturday only in the 50s.